Tired of those sky-high car insurance rates? Let's dive into how to switch to Geico and potentially save some serious cash. The first step is, of course, gathering information. You will first need key details about your current car insurance policy. This includes your current insurance company, policy number, coverage details like liability limits and deductibles, and the effective date of your policy. Now, go to Geico's website or use their app and get a quote. You'll need to provide information about your vehicle's driving history and the types of coverage you want. Once you have your quote, carefully compare it to your current policy, paying close attention to the coverages, deductibles, and premiums. Don't just look at the price. Ensure the coverage is similar or even better than what you have now. If Geico's quote is more affordable and provides the coverage you need, and you're ready to switch, it's time to cancel your old insurance. Contact your current insurance company and tell them you're switching. They'll guide you through the cancellation process and let you know if any refunds are due. Remember to confirm the cancellation date, which is typically before your new Geico policy begins. Finally, it is time to provide Geico with any and all of the required updated information, such as your vehicle registration and your valid driver's license. Congratulations! You've successfully switched your car insurance to Geico. Always carefully review your new policy documents from Geico to see your new coverage options. Remember to always drive safe.